Hey everybody. Today, right now you are watching a live demo of the obfuscation code that will remotely connect to the attacker's machine. I'll walk you through how to install and use the tool step by step. Let's dive in. The tool I'm using is called PowerShell-Kovak, which I developed myself. You can download it or clone the repository using the link in the description. To get started, open your terminal and clone the repository with Git. Once it's downloaded, install node.js if you haven't already. Then, navigate to the project folder and type npm install to install all the necessary packages. After that, start the tool by typing npm start and open your browser. Go to localhost 3000 to access the tool's interface. For this demo, I'll obfuscate the ipconfig command, which displays IP address information. First, I'll write the command into a file named test.ps1 and upload it to the tool. You'll see multiple obfuscation methods to choose from. I'm selecting the space method for this demo. Once the command is obfuscated, the tool converts it into a version encoded with spaces. I'll copy the obfuscated code and run it on my Windows virtual machine. As you can see, the code works perfectly and lists the IP address information just like the original command. Next, let's create a reverse shell using msphenum. I'll generate a payload with my IP address and port 9001. Then, I'll move the malware file to HTML folder to host it on an Apache server. After that, I'll start the Apache server and the mesf console to listen for connections. In the mesf console, I'll set the payload to Windows meterpreted reverse_HTTP, the ihost to my IP address, and the L port to 9001. Now the listener is set up and waiting for a connection. Let's create a PowerShell script that downloads and executes the malware automatically. I'll upload this script to the obfuscation tool and use the binary method to encode it. Once it's encoded, I'll copy the obfuscated payload and test it on the target machine. It works perfectly. The target machine connects back to us, and now we have full control over it. To demonstrate, I'll run some commands like sysinfo to view system information. Next, I'll take a screenshot of the target system, and as you can see, we've successfully received it. Finally, I'll use the shutdown command to power off the system, and there it goes, shutting down instantly. This demo highlights why it's so important not to run unknown or suspicious scripts in your terminal. Always be cautious and verify what you're executing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.